Have you ever imagined owning a camper that's incredibly lightweight, stylish, and tough enough to handle years of adventure? Well, today we're taking a look at the amazing Colibri camper, a compact camper that's made entirely from fiberglass. This unique design has made it one of the most interesting campers for travelers who want comfort without hauling around a massive RV. But what makes fiberglass such a big deal, and why are so many camping enthusiasts talking about the Colibri? Stay with me because this little camper has some impressive surprises. At first glance, the Colibri camper immediately stands out with its smooth, modern curves. Unlike traditional campers that are built using wood framing covered with aluminum panels, the Colibri uses a full fiberglass shell. That means fewer seams, fewer weak points, and much better resistance against rain, moisture, and corrosion. If you've ever worried about water leaks damaging a camper, this design is a huge advantage. Another impressive feature is its lightweight construction. Because fiberglass is both strong and light, the Colibri camper can be towed by many compact SUVs and even some family cars. You don't necessarily need a giant pickup truck to start exploring the outdoors. That means lower fuel costs, easier handling on the road, and less stress when parking or backing into campsites. But don't let its compact size fool you. Step inside, and you'll discover that every inch has been designed to maximize space. The interior feels bright thanks to large windows that let natural light pour in. Clever storage compartments are built into almost every corner, allowing you to pack everything from camping gear to cooking supplies without creating clutter. The sleeping area transforms into a comfortable bed that's perfect for relaxing after a long day of hiking or sightseeing. During the day, the space can be converted into a cozy seating area where you can enjoy meals, read a book, or simply admire the view outside. It's amazing how such a small camper can feel surprisingly spacious. The kitchen area is equally practical. Depending on the model, you'll find a compact countertop, sink, storage cabinets, and room for a portable refrigerator or cooking equipment. Everything is positioned within easy reach, making meal preparation simple whether you're making breakfast at sunrise or dinner under the stars. One of the biggest benefits of fiberglass construction is durability. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't rot. It resists rust, insects, and many of the problems that older campers often develop over time. This means less maintenance and more time enjoying your adventures instead of repairing your camper every season. The aerodynamic shape also helps improve towing efficiency. Its rounded exterior reduces wind resistance, making highway driving smoother while helping your vehicle use less fuel compared to larger, box-shaped travel trailers. It's a small detail that makes a noticeable difference on long road trips. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. Many Colibri campers include ventilation windows, insulated walls, LED lighting, USB charging ports, and optional solar power systems that allow you to enjoy off-grid camping for longer periods. Imagine parking beside a peaceful lake, waking up to birds singing, and enjoying your morning coffee while surrounded by nature without needing a crowded campground. For couples, solo travelers, or weekend adventurers, the Colibri camper offers a fantastic balance between simplicity and convenience. It's easy to tow, easy to maintain, and easy to love. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or quick weekend escapes, this fiberglass camper is designed to make traveling more enjoyable without unnecessary complications. As more people search for affordable ways to explore the world, compact campers like the Colibri are becoming increasingly popular. They provide the freedom to travel almost anywhere while bringing many of the comforts of home along for the ride. Instead of booking hotels, you simply choose your destination, hook up your camper, and start creating unforgettable memories. So what do you think about the all-fiberglass Colibri camper? Could this be your perfect tiny home on wheels, or would you choose a larger RV instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more amazing campers, futuristic RVs, and innovative tiny homes, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.